Jorhat JB College organized one-day plantation drive at Ramterang Model Village on 15 July. Drugs peddler apprehended at Borpathar by Karbi Anglong police. Contraband worth rupees 20 lakhs seized from their possession. Long platform truck overturned at Bokojan on Thursday. Chinthong Ronghang High School near Denarong town under Numati constituency with science, commerce and arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025 92771. Taneswar Theron, Headmaster of Chinthong Ronghang High School. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. Professors and faculties of Jorhat JB College in association with Silonijan Range Forester staff, Home Guard and Chokihela Beat Account staff organized a one-day plantation drive at Ramterang Model Village, Chotiana under the administration of Nili constituency on 15 July. Ramterang Model Village at Chotiana is a model village built by the Central Forest Department for the rehabilitation of the villagers who were relocated from their original habitat. The villagers of Ramterang Model Village were former residents of Reserve Forest at Koilamati. They had to be relocated from their original habitat by the Central Forest Department since their former habitat is now designated as an elephant corridor. On considering this fact, one of the renowned degree college of Assam, Jorhat JB College, Eco Club staff coordinator Dr. Lisa and Dr. Silly with their team in association with Silonijan Range Forester staff, Home Guard and Chokihela Beat Account staff organized a one-day plantation drive at Ramterang Model Village. On the occasion of plantation drive, it was told that deforestation is rapidly increasing the risks of global warming. It has affected the lives of everyone. If deforestation continues, the amount of safe drinking water would decrease as well as the amount of resources we get from the forest. Also, there is a high chance of contracting new diseases. Therefore, if one tree is taken down, we must ensure the plantation of 10 new saplings as a replacement.
Pinidak ketutong kadua bang JB College Jorhat is organized law. Again, nilitum antako operation nuji pan la Silonian Range and nela la Silonian Range per akuli tuma la Bokojan bit anta puna hai to law nang join to nang join law in PTA program la Chief Minister program Plantation scheme heavy to Ramterang or Chotiana constituency to the night to law from or sorry to be college to stop in the one law to forest stop and Chelang step to the last scheme
Sanjit Cross report from Chokihela for Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another incident of drug seizure, Karbi Anglong police apprehended one drug peddler at Borpathar and seized 46 packages of marijuana from his possession at Borpathar on 15 July. On acting upon the specific intel input from its sources, a naka was set up at Kakrajan under Borpathar police station by a team of Deepan Borua, SIUB, Kulendra Nath, OC Borpathar, SIUB, Bidya Bora, ASI Borpathar PS staff and C20 CRPF. At about 7:30 a.m. early morning, a truck bearing registration number NL01 A0164 on its way to Guwahati coming from Dimapur was intercepted at Kakrajan under the jurisdiction of Borpathar police station in suspicion of carrying illicit drugs with them. The team rigorously searched the truck and recovered 46 large packets of drugs comprising 477 kg, 4.77 quintal of marijuana from their possession. The contrabands, if brought to an open market, would cost approximately rupees 20 lakhs. A person named Ramchandra Yadav, 57 years old, son of Hari Singh, temporary resident of Beltola Tiniali, Guwahati, and a permanent resident of Saraya village, Mirzapur district, Uttar Pradesh, was arrested and taken into custody. The operation was done under the supervision of John Das, APS, SDPO Bokojan, and all the contraband seized were retained by Borpathar police for the time being.
আজি ৰাতিপুৱা 7:30মান বজাত এটা ইনফৰমেশ্যন পালোঁ যে এখন ট্ৰাকত ডিমাপুৰৰ পৰা গাঞ্জা এছডিপিঅ মহোদয় বোকাজান আৰু CRPF চেণ্ট কামাণ্ডাৰ প্ৰফিকিন ছাৰ আৰু আমাৰ ষ্টাফসহ আমি গাড়ীখন ট্ৰাকখন আমি নাকা চিঙিয়ত আমি কৰায়ত্ব কৰোঁ আৰু ট্ৰাকখন আমি চাৰ্চ কৰি কেবিনৰ ওপৰৰ পৰা কেবিন হুডৰ পৰা আমি প্ৰায় 46 পেকেট গাঞ্জা উদ্ধাৰ কৰোঁ। সৰ্বমুঠ কেজি হৈছে 478 কেজি, মানে 4 কুইণ্টেল 78 কেজি।
Subhas Terang's report from Langchathing and Anand Terang's report from Bokojan, Karbi Anglong Live. A long platform truck was overturned at NH39 Nijorapar under the jurisdiction of Bokojan police station on Thursday. A fully loaded long platform truck carrying cements from Bokojan railway station overturned while on its way to Khatkati due to the steep and twisted turn road alongside NH39 Nijorapar. Locals informed that the incident had taken place on Thursday evening around 4 p.m. when the truck bearing registration number NL01G8675 was struggling to balance its position while taking a turn. The truck was overloaded than its usual capabilities. This had consequently resulted in a mishap. Bokojan police reached the spot and therefore took the necessary steps to secure the area. Anand Terang's report from Bokojan for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great hours.